Welcome to Insights Live. I'm Rebecca Selby.
And I'm Predrag Jakovljević, better known as PJ with the Technology Evaluation Centers, or TC, based in Canada.
And today we're here to talk about cloud industry solutions. So PJ, tell me, what are the top trends in cloud technology that people should be watching for?
Well, one trend is definitely that the cloud has moved from sort of emerging only for early adopters technology into full mainstream. Mm-hmm. You know, and all the predictions are that in the long run, cloud is going to be the prevailing technology. But one should also notice that at least for now, and even for some time to come, even the old on-premise deployments will still have some validity for some people and in some technologies. And it appears that manufacturers were initially still reticent to move to the cloud, but that seems to be changing, and even like any security issues and all that seem to be much less of a hurdle for people to move to the cloud. There are still maybe some other issues, and maybe we'll mention them.
How can Epicor customers take advantage of some of the benefits of cloud?
Well, Epicor or any ERP customers, for that matter, they could benefit in several ways by going for cloud. So I did put some bullet points here just because there are so many, so that I don't ramble or think. So the first one is that cloud enables people to come to value much more quickly than in a traditional way. What that means is that cloud usually, at least until now, imposes some kind of standardized processes and limits customization. So for those companies that are a good fit, they can much more quickly deploy a solution and start using that. Mm-hmm. So faster time to value. Also, as a proof of concept, you can introduce cloud in some division or in some remote, see how that works as a pilot, and then you can maybe land and expand to the entire company. The other benefit that usually comes with cloud is that it means lower upfront costs, mm-hmm. which means you don't need to invest in some huge data centers yourself and in boxes and hardware and all that kind of stuff. That is all now, the onus is on the software provider. And also, once we go beyond these upfront costs, we are talking about subscriptions for license per user per month. At least companies can predict those costs instead of being surprised, like in the case of on-premise solutions, when they need to upgrade for bigger boxes, more better performing servers and that kind of stuff. Mm-hmm. Then, with the cloud technology usually come all these new technology innovations. So for some companies that are on some really esoteric and old and outdated technologies, not to mention maybe AS400s or Power Builder or whatever else, sometimes you can leapfrog all those kinds of issues with upgrading on other more recent technologies by simply going straight to the cloud and be able to use in-memory technologies, mobilities, and all those nice perks. Mm-hmm. And also, last but not least, usually that means less internal IT burden. It's not completely eliminated. You still need to have some IT stuff, but at least your IT stuff can focus on more strategic and value-add activities instead of doing just some like IT chores, maintenance, or whatever else, which is now part of the vendor.
Well, those are compelling benefits. Thank you for your insight. We appreciate it.
Okay.
If you'd like more information about cloud technology, please visit epicor.com.